Hello again, everyone. What a wonderful week of recording and watching we have ahead of us here as we move into our last unit, going into chapter 11, where we're going to be talking about counting and probabilities. Starting section 11.1, we're going to look at the fundamental counting principle for being able to look at arrangements with certain numbers of groups of things. Then in 11.2, we're going to look at a special kind of counting called permutations, which means introducing factorial notation in there as well. I'm talking about some of those formulas. And then in 11.3, we're going to be looking at combinations, which are a natural extension on top of permutations in terms of a different kind of selection process, a different number of selections, a different type of thing to be looking for. Where I'll say that this unit in particular is probably going to be the one that's most useful for you all in your other classes, and that you may have the most experience with coming in here because stuff in chapters 11 and 12 appear in our general statistics course, statistical methods. So if you've taken stats before, then you're going to have some experience with the stuff in here already. And if you're going to take stats later, which if you haven't yet, you're going to have to, you will have a bit more of a leg up in terms of some of these things that can cause some problems for people early on in the semester, having seen them already. Anyway, for this week, normal deadlines, normal stuff to expect here in terms of a worksheet due by Friday, some assignments in my lab due next week, and finally a pre-assessment moving into week 12 for more into chapter 11. So let's get started here looking at fundamental counting.